Hi, I'm Ray Reeves and I'm a CPA. I want to talk to you not about payroll. What I want to talk to you about is how I can help you find fewer headaches and more time to run your business. If you'll give me 3 minutes, the payoff is that at the end, I'm going to give you a solution to what I know is a problem. First, let's talk about the problem running your business. And that problem is payroll. You're spending too much time on payroll because, let's face it, payroll is complicated. You're afraid of the mistakes that you could get IRS penalties because the IRS doesn't look very kindly on folks that screw up on their payroll. Or you're paying a lot for payroll services and you're not getting much in return. I can guarantee you, based on my experience, that if you're a small business owner, you fit somewhere in 1, 2, or 3 of these categories. So, my solution is I've gone out and I've found a service that I know I can trust and I think you can trust. Why do I feel that way? I feel that way because this service is made by Intuit. Now, Intuit is the same folks that bring you QuickBooks. If you're a small business owner, I know you've heard of QuickBooks, and it's the big 3,000-pound gorilla in the small business accounting world. Well, QuickBooks now has online payroll, and the great thing is they're offering the payroll service through certified public accountants just like myself. So you get the backing of Intuit and the QuickBooks folks, but you get your local CPA, his experienced staff, you get an online solution, you get personalized service with quick responses, and you get back more time to run your business and not have to deal with some of those headaches. We make payday easy and we make it accurate. I told you, you got headaches and you got time. And I'm going to show you how this service is going to give you back more time and it's going to get rid of some of your headaches. And the great thing about it is it's affordable, and you're going to find that it gives you the service and it gives you the features that you get from any big expensive service, you know, that the guy down the street, the big huge conglomerate that's got 10,000 employees, you're going to get just as sophisticated a service for your employees as what that guy can afford to do, but you're going to get it at a fraction of the cost. You can get direct deposit, you can get detailed pay stubs, you can print your paychecks, you can give your employees online access to their pay stubs, you can have multi-state payroll, you can have any kind of voluntary deductions if you've got United Way, if you've got a health plan. You automatically calculate your federal, state, and local taxes. If you have sick policies, if you have vacation policies, you can track your accruals for holiday pay, and it's backed by a 100% accuracy guarantee, once again, from the folks at Intuit. And to save you more time, it's going to integrate. Not only does it integrate with QuickBooks, you knew it was going to do that, but it'll integrate with Peachtree, ProSystems, Microsoft Money, Quicken, VersaCheck. If you use Outright, my firm, because we're such strong believers in what Outright's doing for the small businessman, will help you get all of your payroll entered into Outright, and it'll be entered accurately. Plus, we'll handle your federal and state taxes, so you don't have to worry about when am I supposed to deposit my taxes, and how do I fill out the return, and who do I pay it to, and how do I pay it. Well, it's all taken care of. It's all done electronically. It's simple, it's easy. You don't have to worry about the headache. You don't have to worry about getting in trouble with the IRS, because you'll know that your 941s are filed on time, your W-2s are filed on time. Heck, it'll even do your 1099s for your contract employees. So it's not going to just help you with your employees, It's going to help you with independent contractors that work for you too. It handles state forms and state tax returns for any state in the United States. So you don't have to worry about that. It's all covered. And you're going to get easy to understand reports, detailed information. You can track all of the expenses. You can see all of the costs. You can track your retirement plans. You can track your workman's comp. You can get all of your tax liabilities. You can know how much you've paid out in wages. If an employee comes to you wanting to know what their last paycheck was, it's all right there, easy to access, easy to find the information, and easy for you to know what's going on with your payroll. Workman's comp, we mentioned that. Do you know workman's comp is required by law for employers in 49 of the 50 states in the United States? Now, I'm in Texas. Texas has a little bit different law. Texas doesn't require workman's comp, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't have workman's comp. You've heard of the Hartford, well-known, highly respected insurance company. They handle workman's comp. And the great thing is, it's all integrated. You don't have to have big down payments so that you can go buy into a workman's comp policy. You can pay your premiums one pay period at a time, spread it out over the year. You don't get the big year-end surprise when they come in and do an audit and find out that, oh gosh, you owe 50% more than what you've already paid in. So that's just another option. You don't have to get it, but it's something that's offered that integrates well with the payroll system, and it'll keep you out of trouble. It's just another way to take care. It's that little bonus that's going to take care of another headache that you have dealing with workman's comp, because heaven forbid that you get an employee who gets injured on the job and you don't have coverage. Pricing. Okay, we talked about you got the big expensive payroll processing companies, and they cost anywhere $200, $300, I've seen them up to $400 a month just for payroll. Even if you just buy the basic payroll package to use in any accounting software, the standard price is $300, and you have to pay that every year, plus you have to update the tax charts every quarter, or every time there's a new something that comes out with the program. You've got to go in and you got to load the updates into your software. Well, all of this is online. Everything is off in the cloud. All you need is an internet connection. If you can get on the internet, you can get into your payroll and you can process your payroll. And what I say, $25 a month. $25 a month for 5 employees. Now, in my experience, 5 employees is going to cover just about every small business client that I deal with. But even if it doesn't, the cost is only $1 a month for each employee over 5. Okay, so even if you think, hey, you know what, $25 a month, you know, that's not too bad. That's cheaper than what it's going to cost me for 1 month on the high-priced payroll service, and it's going to be cheaper for a whole year of using the online service than what it would cost you to buy and keep updated and have to hassle with the payroll package that you run on your computer. And what do you do when your computer crashes? You know, then you're in trouble because you don't have the information because your computer crashed. Not a problem. It's all hosted. It's all maintained by the folks up at QuickBooks, so you don't have to worry about it. But wait, that's not all. I love saying that. Just had to throw it in, because just because you've sat here and you've endured listening to me yammer on for 3 minutes, I'm going to knock $5 a month off the price. So now $20 a month for 5 employees. That's for the rest of 2010. You're going to get this service, everything included, $20 a month for your first 5 employees, and still just $1 a month if you've got more employees over that. So we're going to go to the next page. I'm going to give you my contact information. just contact me. You got a question, I would be happy to talk to you. It doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation. Just get in touch with me, because I guarantee you it's going to be a way that you're going to get more work done on your business, because you're not going to be worried about doing your payroll. You're not going to be worried about, did I pay my payroll taxes on time? How am I going to handle that? You're going to get all those things taken care of. See, I told you, if you'd stick with me, I got a deal for you. I'm going to save you some time. I'm going to get rid of some headaches for you. So get in touch with us today. Thanks for listening.